All right, let's see how thick this aluminum plate is. 4 millimeters. So this is what I would consider a light duty skid plate. So my truck is a GMC Sierra C71. This kit comes with the transfer case skid plate right here, but actually my truck already have one, so I'm going to be just using this one, and I'm going to be replacing the plastic one that comes stock, which I guess its purpose is just the air deflection and just keep the engine clean. So this will for sure not be strong enough to stop a pointy rock, but for the type of off-road that I do, this is more than enough. I don't do any wheeling and crazy four-wheel drive, but I know how to get myself in trouble. Just to install this skid plate, this cross member here, just to call it cross member, and this one, and this one, they need to come out. These are the pieces that I have to remove to install this kit. So this is not tightening yet, but as you can see, it actually fits really well. I really like using the ratchet instead of the impact, because with the impact I don't know how hard it is tightening. At least with this one I have a feeling of how it goes. Oh yeah, way better. Actually wraps around the engine really well. It's a really well done skid plate. As I said, light duty, but pretty good for what I do.